In the face of unimaginable peril, where hope often dwindles, there are stories that remind us of extraordinary courage. Stories of heroes, not always human. Today, we delve into the incredible journey of one such hero, a dog whose unwavering loyalty and bravery transcended the ordinary. This is the full story of the dog who saved lives, a testament to the profound bond between humans and their canine companions. From ancient times, dogs have stood by our side, offering protection, companionship, and sometimes miraculous rescue. But few tales shine as brightly as that of our subject, whose actions etched an unforgettable mark on the hearts of many. Prepare to be inspired by a journey of instinct and spirit. Our story begins long before the heroic moment, tracing the origins of this remarkable animal. Every hero has a beginning. This dog, whose breed remains a symbol of strength and intelligence, showed early signs of its extraordinary potential. From playful puppyhood, its keen senses and innate drive were evident. It was clear this was no ordinary canine. Its journey into becoming a lifesaver began with rigorous training. Hours spent honing its natural abilities. Intelligence, agility, and an unwavering focus were meticulously cultivated. Each command, each exercise, building its foundation. Behind every great dog is a dedicated handler. This bond was forged through countless hours of shared effort and trust. The handler, a patient and skilled mentor, understood the dog's unique spirit, guiding it towards its destiny. Their connection was more than just training. It was a deep, unspoken understanding, vital for the challenges ahead. Every lesson, every shared moment, was a step towards the day when their combined efforts would make an unimaginable difference. The stage was set, the training complete, but nothing could truly prepare them for the harrowing events that were to unfold. Then came the day. A day etched in history, when disaster struck with brutal force. A moment that tested the limits of human endurance. Lives hung in the balance, and hope was fading fast. It was in this crucible of despair that our hero would rise. The specific event, whether a devastating earthquake, a remote wilderness accident, or a complex urban rescue, demanded extraordinary measures. Our dog, with its handler, was deployed into the heart of the danger, a beacon of hope in the darkness. The tension was palpable. Every step was fraught with risk, every moment critical. The search began. Through rubble and ruin, through treacherous terrain, the dog's specialized training kicked in. Its senses were its guide. The handler quickly confirmed the find, a trapped survivor, hidden from human sight, but not from the dog's incredible nose. This wasn't just one rescue. Over the course of the incident, the dog performed multiple heroic acts. Its bravery was unwavering, its determination relentless. It worked tirelessly, driven by an instinct to save. Each life pulled from the brink was a testament to its courage, a miracle brought forth by a four-legged hero. The gravity of the situation was immense, but the dog's actions provided glimmers of hope in the darkest hours. The immediate aftermath was a whirlwind of emotion. Relief, gratitude, and overwhelming joy filled the air. The dog, a silent witness to the miracles it helped create, received pats and praise, a hero in every sense. But the impact of its actions extended far beyond the immediate rescues. It touched individuals, families, and entire communities. For those it saved, life was given a second chance. For the community, it was a symbol of resilience and hope. The dog's heroism did not go unnoticed. Recognition poured in from around the world. Awards, honors, and heartfelt tributes celebrated its extraordinary contributions. It became a national, even international, icon. Beyond the accolades, its story inspired changes. New policies, improved training protocols, all influenced by its success. The dog's legacy was not just in the lives it saved, but in the standards it set for future search and rescue efforts. Its story became a beacon, guiding others to strive for excellence in the service of humanity. The dog who saved lives left an indelible mark, a legacy of courage, loyalty, and the extraordinary power of the human-animal bond. Its later years were filled with well-deserved peace and affection, surrounded by those who cherished it. A true hero, living out its days in comfort, a testament to a life well lived and a duty nobly performed. What truly defines a hero? Is it strength, intelligence, or perhaps an unwavering heart? For D's dog, it was all of these, combined with an innate goodness that inspired us all. Its story reminds us that heroism comes in many forms, and sometimes the greatest heroes walk on for pause.